Silver-tongued, the art of persuasive speech. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, silver-tongued. This phrase is not just about language, but also about the power of words and how they can be used. Stay with us to uncover the meaning and usage of this intriguing expression. The phrase, silver-tongued, refers to someone who has a remarkable talent for speaking in a persuasive, eloquent, or flattering manner. It's not just about speaking well. It's about the ability to use words effectively to convince, charm, or influence others. This expression often carries a hint of admiration but can also imply that the speaker might be insincere or manipulative. Understanding the origins of phrases can be incredibly helpful in remembering their meanings. The term, silver-tongued, dates back to a time when silver was highly valued for its beauty and rarity. Just as silver is precious and captivating, a silver-tongued person's words have a similar charm and value. This metaphor highlights the power and attractiveness of skillful speech. Let's see how to use this phrase in actual sentences. 1. The lawyer was so silver-tongued that he could convince anyone of his argument. 2. She was known for being silver-tongued, charming her way through difficult negotiations. Notice how the phrase is used to describe someone's persuasive speaking abilities in various contexts. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and related expressions. Eloquent, fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Articulate, able to express thoughts and feelings easily and clearly. Persuasive, good at persuading someone to do or believe something. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, silver-tongued, and how it can be used in the English language. It's a fascinating expression that captures the power of eloquence and persuasion in speech. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a pro. See you in the next video.